All eyes are eagerly anticipating the announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S24, which is likely to take place in January. This launch is expected to set the tone for all phone releases in 2024. Over the months, numerous leaks and rumors have surfaced, giving us a glimpse of what to expect from this series. However, thanks to a FCC filing and official renders, we now have confirmation on some specifications. The leaked official renders of the Galaxy S24 series align with leaks and even match the real-life image of the S24 Ultra that emerged a few days ago. It seems that these renders are indeed authentic. Windows Report has published these renders along with details on all three upcoming phone specifications, including information about their heat dissipation system. According to the report, both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will come in 4 colors: amber yellow, cobalt violet, marble gray, and onyx black. Additionally, it reveals that the Ultra variant is expected to feature a titanium frame and will be available in 4 color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The new features introduced this year begin with the display, which appears to be flat this time. In the rendered images, you can notice more visible side bezels and a more squared-off appearance. What's noteworthy is that all the upcoming Samsung phones are said to come with vapor chamber heat dissipation systems. Moving on from the visuals, the report also reveals specifications of the Ultra variant. These include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 6.8-inch QHD Plus screen, a 200 megapixels primary camera, accompanied by a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, along with 10 megapixels and 50 megapixels options for telephoto photography at 3x and 5x zoom levels. It's worth mentioning that Samsung has previously utilized telephoto lenses at different zoom levels in its Ultra devices. This shift to a dedicated 5x telephoto lens is quite interesting. Although the increased resolution could compensate for it to some extent, it still represents a change. Leaked specifications also include a 5,000 mAh battery capacity, along with options for either 12 gigs of RAM and storage capacities of either 256, 512, or as high as 1 terabyte. Additionally mentioned is Corning Gorilla Armor, which presumably refers to a successor to Gorilla Glass Victus. The leaked details also indicate an improved vapor chamber cooling system that's 1.9 times larger than what was seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The report also provides a summary of the vanilla models, which seem to have replaced titanium with aluminum. Overall, these new models appear to offer upgrades compared to the generation. Samsung is planning to incorporate AI into their upcoming smartphone range, which will be a selling point in 2024. The integration of Samsung's AI technology will bring about apps and features. We have received information that the upcoming S24 series will offer more capabilities. Many are eagerly awaiting the release date, which is just around the corner now. So, what are your thoughts on these images of the S24 lineup? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you in the next one. Take care.